For the past 19 years, a growing number of people have taken the same road, passing familiar faces, and each time you remember their unmistakable personalities, what makes them special. Every remarkable tale includes a big fish story, but this one is more than just reeling in the biggest catch. This story is largely focused on the experience of giving back. This June, we expect a record number of people to make the same trek down LA1 to celebrate 20 years. This is not the culmination, but the reintroduction to something bigger than ourselves. This is Swollfest. Nestled at a seeming corner of the earth, this barrier island has allowed outdoorsmen and enthusiasts to enjoy the fruits of paradise since the likes of John Lafitte. For those looking to exact their competitive juices, there are a number of worthy adversaries.
Looking for something to prove, looking for something to say. We eat our grits and we don't mind sweet and icy boy.
What happens on the last night of this tiny island could be considered more than grand. It's pure magic.
Quiet now into the tremor of a hope that's growing deep inside. Hand to mouth, our secret whispers of a dream to roll our tired skies. And with a full heart and opening eyes, I see the headlights turn into sunrise. We'll build on real long and hear the deep hurt, and we will step on to greet the new world.
But it's more than just this. It's a transformative experience that lives with those in attendance throughout the year. Fathers and sons, mothers and daughters, families getting together, making a positive change to local communities. It's a metaphor for living and giving. This is Swollfest.
Our daughter is beautiful, intelligent, strong, willing, ambitious, and differently able. Diagnosed at 18 months with spinal muscular atrophy, with extreme generalized muscle weakness, and is unable to walk. Her mobility is a power wheelchair. Because of the SMA, she developed severe scoliosis, and in the past 7 years has had 12 back surgeries. She has accepted her disease and has a very positive outlook on life. Last November, she was invited on a big game hunting trip to Texas and got her first buck, a 7-point. She has been hooked. She's been hooked on hunting ever since. She is a goodwill ambassador for MDA and is an advocate for raising money for Camp Starlight and for equipment and medical supplies for those who have different forms of muscular dystrophy. We couldn't be more proud of what she has accomplished. Her name is Rachel Langley and is 16 years old. We're going to bring you December 17th through the 20th, and we're going to Record Buck and you shoot the biggest deer you ever killed in your life or ever seen.
Once he read the letter from my parents and everything and told me to turn around, there was my chair, and I cried more and more and more.
We know that it, with your situation, it's probably not that easy to get around, so we thought we'd go ahead and make it a little bit easier for you. And Nick told me that you really liked these track chairs when you saw them, and I hope he was telling me the truth because you're going to be riding around in one.
This is why we're here and raise money every year. Everybody get a big round of applause. See you next year.
At this moment, it happens. That indescribable magic. a shared feeling that transcends to boundaries far beyond the marina, to inspire courage, bring hope, and give love to those who need it the most. This is Swoll First.